We still have some pockets of blue sky, but the clouds are moving into Fargo now, and they'll continue to take over through the rest of the afternoon. First the Southern Valley, and then spreading northward, bringing some rain and some snow along with it. It's been nice to have the sun, especially because it was so cold this morning. We saw those temperatures dip well down into the 20s, even a couple of places reporting some teens for lows. So even though it still feels chilly out there, this is an improvement. We're into the upper 30s to some low 40s here in the valley right now. We're at 42 in Fargo and 40 in Grand Forks. So temperatures will rise a little bit more from here, but really we are looking at a cooler day today. The wind's still pretty light. We're looking at wind speeds less than 10 miles per hour. Some calm reports coming in, and that wind trying to turn to a more southerly direction as that next system approaches. So we've been talking about this one. Some clouds already moving into southeastern North Dakota, even getting a little return popping up there just outside of our viewing area. That's likely not producing much, maybe a flurry or two. But we are keeping our eyes on what's happening just down to the south and west. You can see that leading line on the colder side of this system right now of snow. And over the next, I'd say, hour or two, we'll watch it start to approach places like Brown County in South Dakota, western parts of Lemoore and Dickey County, and move into that area here late afternoon, continuing into the evening. It's going to bring along with it some snow chances, some rain chances, and a mix in between, just like what we're seeing is happening in South Dakota right now. So here's how things are going to play out in your hour-by-hour planner. Temperatures will continue to rise. We'll be into the low to upper 40s for highs today. But as you can see this afternoon, the clouds move in for more places, and we start to see those showers, snow showers, rain showers moving in as well with it. And you can see it might end up being a little bit messy here for that evening drive around the James River Valley down toward Ellendale and Edgeley at that point. The rest of us still pretty quiet heading home from work today, or maybe heading out for dinner, but that won't last very long. We're going to see the rain move in, and as our temperatures drop with the system moving in, we'll start to see some of that rain switching over to snow this evening. This is 9 o'clock, and this particular model run introduces snow to Fargo-Moorhead. We're kind of right on the edge of where we'll see the snow, but this particular run saying that it does look like we have that possibility. So can't rule that out here for tonight for Fargo. Back over to Detroit Lakes. More likely west and north is where we have the better bet for that snowfall to accumulate, where temperatures will be colder. We're closer to freezing around the midnight hour there, whereas the rest of us into the mid to upper 30s. We also have, of course, warmer ground right now. We haven't quite frozen over just yet, so that will help to melt some of this before it really starts to stick. And road surfaces will be one of those last surfaces that end up freezing over or getting accumulating snow. So keep that in mind. It might end up being a little bit messy here. 5 a.m. tomorrow, looking at snow ongoing, perhaps up in the northern valley, southern valley. A little warmer, we'll get some rain down that way. And then heading into the rest of the day, you can see the system does stick around. And as we warm up a little bit more through the day Friday, it switches over to rain for a time. So this could affect your evening plans if you're heading out for Friday night football. A little bit soggy and certainly cold here coming up for the day tomorrow. So here's a look at the snowfall potential. Now keep in mind that there's going to be some rain mixed in. The ground is warm. So while we will get a little accumulation, it may not last very long, and some places may not get much in the way of accumulation even if you see snow, but a couple of inches, maybe up to 3 inches possible. We do have an advisory that takes place at 8 o'clock tonight and continues until noon tomorrow for the Devil's Lake Basin. And Saturday we kind of dry out, quiet down again before the next round moves in for Sunday. So it's just unsettled and cold here in the valley.
And you can keep updated on the Valley News Live Storm Team app.
That's right, and we'll be keeping you posted right here as well.
All right, thank you, Lee.